Now, flags of nations. Okay, that lesson we are going to continue. So, India has its own national flag. Okay, children. So, it is the tricolor. You know how many colors are there in our flags, isn't it? And you know the design of the flag is because we are Indian. Okay, so in the same way, every country in the world has its own flag. Yes, like how we are having our flag, Indian flag, and in the same way, other countries have their flags. Okay, so picture of the flags of some countries are given below. Name the country to which each of the flags belongs. Okay, so let's follow. Now just observe the flags carefully, children. Okay, I have written the names below each flag. Okay, so this is our first flag is United States of America, that is USA. Okay, the second one is UK, that is United Kingdom, and the third one is Russia. This flag is belong to Russia. And this one, the fourth one is belongs to France. Okay, fifth one is Italy, and then Germany. Okay, Sweden, Canada, and the last one is China. Okay, let's continue, children. This is our flag which is belongs to Pakistan. Okay, and the 11th one is Nepal, and the last that is Sri Lanka. I hope you would have understood the flags along with their symbol very well. What are their symbols? Okay, now match the country and its symbol. So the first one is Canada. This Canada match to maple leaves. Okay, this Canada flag has a maple leaf, and the USA flag has a bald eagle. Okay, and the Russia is belongs to brown bear. Now the next is Japan. Okay, which is belong to cherry blossom. Okay, children, like this you have to match. And the China flags has a symbol of dragon. Now Ireland flag has a symbol of shamrock. The next is Greece, which is belong to olive branch. Okay, these flags having the symbol of olive branch, isn't it? Now the last one is South Africa, which is belongs to blue crane. Exercise number 2, answer the following questions. The first question is, what are the flag? No, what is the flag of the UK? And what is the flag of USA called? So, I have written separate answer. Okay. So, the first one is the Union flag. Okay. Or the Union Jack is called the national flag of United Kingdom. And the flag of the USA called the Stars and the Stripes. Okay. Now our next question is, what are the colors of flags of Germany and Russia? So the colors of the flag of Germany are black, which is at the top, red, which is at the middle, and the gold is at the bottom. Okay, And the colors of the flag of Russia are white, which is at the top, okay, and the blue color, which is in the middle, and the red color, which is at the bottom of the flag, isn't it? The third question is, what is our country's flag called? I have written here answer, children. Our country's flag is called tricolor, okay, Tiranga. Also have three color, isn't it? That is orange at the top and white in the middle and green in the bottom of the flag, okay.